Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got a 2024 Chevrolet 2500HD. This is the Cypress Gray color. Is it gray? Is it green? It's just something in between. So up front, we've got our Delta Series bumper. We did a little bit of accent with the chrome hooks to match up with the grille. Ron, our painter, did a, as usual, exceptional job of matching the Cypress Gray just perfect. We did black inserts on the mesh, and then we have our 20-inch rigid in the center and a pair of 4s in the wings. One of these is a spot and the other one's a flood. So the suspension kit is our 4 to 6-inch kit. So this comes with our Kelderman upper control arms. It comes with our Raptor remote reservoir shocks that are tuned to work perfect with this torsion style suspension. This kit also comes with kryptonite end links on the sway bar and tie rod ends. When you're lifting these GMs, it's important to replace the tie rod ends because the additional size of the bigger tires, more force on it, they tend to wear out the OEM ones quickly. Once they go, you're gonna wear your tires fast. And the kit also comes with a Raptor Kelderman steering stabilizer that mounts right in front of the differential. The rear kit is our plus 2. So the GMs you'll see when we list them a 4 to 6. We have some adjustment there because of the torsion arm. So the adjustment will be how big of a tire do you want to run, how much lift. So the rear is a plus 2. We're bringing the rake on the trucks down a little bit because now we don't need a jacked up truck in the back because the 4-link suspension, when you put your trailer on it, it's going to keep the truck level. You're not going to have sag anymore because you remember at Kelderman's we don't do squat. So you come over here, you've got your Raptor remote resi shocks that are tuned to the airbag to get you a phenomenal ride. I mean, these Chevys, I'm a Dodge guy. I actually drive a Super Duty every day, but I tell you what, more and more I drive these Chevys, the ride on these is incredible. We also have a larger sway bar. So when this guy, he's got a 5th wheel in it. So, we're running a little bit smaller tire than what we would usually do on this so that he can stay underneath this 5th wheel and not, smash the box when he's going into the campground. So for the tires, we've got Cooper tires. These are a 275, 65, 20, and the wheels are TIS off-road. So the rear bumper is our Delta Series. Delta Series has the cutout over here in the wing. We also color matched all the sensors. A lot of times these will be silver or black, but we actually color match the bezels and the sensor itself, the backup sensor. So that way you just got that real clean look. We have the 4-inch ridges on the back. So when you're backing up to your trailer at night, I tell you what, once you start using these backup lights, if you get in your buddy's truck to back it up, it's crazy the difference of how much these things light up. And then just like the front, we did the chrome monster hooks. So for the compressor system on this, we have our dual Viair setup. We've also got a dryer on there. It's going to keep the moisture out. This guy lives in Illinois. You're going to have a lot of cold winters, so it's going to keep the moisture out, keep anything from freezing up. So really with the GM, you only need the single compressor setup, but this gentleman's traveling a lot, so he wanted the dual compressor with the dual tanks. They're 3-gallon tanks each. We make those in-house now. That way, if he needs to air up his tire, he's got plenty of air volume, to keep his trailer and truck tires, ATVs, motorcycles, whatever you need, onboard air. So when you're lifting a GM or GMC, you always have the issue of these tires hitting the big mud flap right here. But we have the solution. We came up with this in 2020. This is a mud flap delete kit. So you just pop this off, you trim a little piece of the rocker panel inside there, a couple screws, puts that on. Man, you gets plenty of clearance. It's got the same texture, it matches perfect. Looks like it came from the factory that way. So I'm really getting into these mildly lifted, more functional trucks, daily drivers jumping in and out, running around the job site. But when you take our Kelderman bumpers and you color match it to your truck, whether it's a Dodge, Ford, or Chevy, I mean, you could just create a look that very few people have. Where Kelderman's an elite brand, it's a high-end brand, and and you got to shell out some dough to get our product. But when you get done, you got a truck that very, very rarely are you going to pull into a parking lot and see anything as cool as something that we built. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.